welcome President of Infiniti Motor Company, Roland Kruger.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Infiniti and welcome to Geneva.
First of all, these two new vehicles are an extension to the lineup, especially the QX30 taps into the biggest single segment in Europe, which is the C segment, and definitely will make its inroad. And the Q60 is a coupe, an all-new coupe that will shape the brand and further make sure we are a distinctive alternative premium brand in the segment. They offer a distinct alternative in the premium compact market, especially here in Europe. With the daring design and the technologies that we offer, we believe we have a market for customers that are in the premium segment but are looking for an alternative brand such as Infiniti.
I think, in Europe we have the objective of growing very fast. So we started with the Q30. So the QX30 will help, of course, and will give another dimension because we will go on the SUV. I mean, the Q60 is not going to bring a lot of volume, some volume, but certainly will give a very strong image for Infiniti. Well, the Q30 and the QX30 are game changer, definitely. It comes with a striking design, very innovative. it looks like nothing on the market yet. So it's brand new, and it's what we need to do, to convince the people to come to Infiniti. If we copy, we will do nothing. If we come with something very exclusive, yes, we are going to emerge.
Well, it was when we started designing our first compact crossover for Infiniti. I mean, at the very beginning, it was an interesting time because we were embarking in a new relationship with Daimler, and also at that time we were embarking in an enhanced relationship with our engineers, where we brainstormed about what kind of aspects of engineering can become a highlight of the company. And so we talked about the artistry and the deep stamping and the sharpness of body. So on the one hand, you have new partnership, and then you also had new relationship to really show engineering capability. And then the concept itself for Europe, this compact crossover, to really go into where the Europeans live, was very exciting. Well, when we were designing the Q60 and thinking about what it is, first of all, in Infiniti it's a global brand, and this kind of genre, global. Of course, it's a coupe, so it's immediately for people who love to drive. And they understand that the rear passenger is not the priority, it's really the connection to the road and the romance of driving. So especially with this aspect of the romance of driving, we really wanted to show this chiseled, lightweight athlete in sculpture, but this ultra sleek, clean silhouette. So we think that the person looks at the car, this car is in motion, even when it's still. So these were the things that we really wanted to capture with the Q60. What's next for Infiniti? Well, we're going to deploy new cars, the new language on the new cars. But we're also keeping an eye on even beyond that. So where the artistry goes, where does this sense of power, where the new technologies. So this is what we're really working on every day.